Hey guys, good morning to one and all. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. We just planned for a dinner. It's because our in-laws anniversary and they're just offering a dinner for us and we're gonna enjoy the dinner, that too in a Barbecue Nation buffet. It's in a bridge mall, guys, and we thought the buffet is in third floor, but actually it is in first floor. So we came to third floor now. Actually, we have to go down now. So, anyways, let's have a look. Actually, there is one more buffet in this mall, which is this, and we thought it's a Barbecue Nation, but it's not so. We are just going for first floor, guys. Come on, let's go. Wow, first time I'm visiting Barbecue Nation, guys, and I'm so excited. Let's see how it is going to be.
Don't feel I have one. I wanna forget you.
Oh my god, yes, it's in first floor, guys. So we almost reached. So here is the Barbecue Nation. Birthdays and barbecues make every birthday better. That's called Barbecue Nation. So here is Barbecue Nation. Barbecue Nation online delivery also available, guys, through Swiggy or Zomato. Before entering the dining, they're just checking the temperature. And here is our dining. So after coming here, that too buffet, unlimited food, I can't stop my cravings looking at the menu. And here is a menu, guys, and I'm going to show you in detail what all the recipes and what is the main course and what is the special in this Barbecue Nation, everything. Continue watching. Finally, we have chosen a table. Now I'm going to show you in detail what is the menu of the Barbecue Nation. So here is a soup. This is what the chicken soup, guys. And here is the mutton rogan josh. And this is murg makhni. This is Mangalorean fish curry. And this is non-veg curries. This is chicken dum biryani. This is Sab's dum biryani. This is veg chili garlic noodles, exotic veg and coriander sauce, and kofta curry, paneer butter masala. This is plain rice. Nice aroma, guys. This is dal makhni. And here is the tomato soup. It's very hot. Now these are the barbecues. This is what the starters. Before starting our dinner, let's wash our hands. So here over the table, barbecue live grills embedded in the dining table. That really thrills us a lot. This dinner is really special, guys, because the Barbecue Nation is allowing us to grill our own barbecues right at our tables. Both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Wow, it's really pleasant, guys, and casual dining environment. Barbecue Nation is really so attractive to its DIY because do it by yourself, guys, and cooked at the table. nature and the flexibility and fun of mixing and matching a wide variety of meat, vegetables, sauces, and condiments to create dishes according to our own tastes and preferences. These are crispy prawns, guys. It's very tasty. I really love it. Second time I've just taken. So here we told them to change the coal. We need it very hot and smoke should come in such a way that it should grill properly. So they just change the coal now. This is potato snack which they made it with some sauce and it's very tasty. I really love this recipe, guys. This is sheikh kebab. This is also very tasty. Here the food is unlimited, guys, but the price is fixed. Barbecue Nation is offering us at least 5 vegetarian and 5 non-vegetarian largely pre-cooked appetizers. Here we can season and barbecue on a grill embedded in our tables on all we can eat main course buffet at a selection of desserts. Finally it got grilled, guys. Now it's time to have. Guys, I'm done with my starters. So let's move on to the main course. So let's see what all I'm gonna have now. I just came to taste the mutton rogan josh with the roti. Even the chicken curry and paneer butter masala. So all these are my favorites. So I just came to taste with naan. Cocktails also available, guys, but it's not included in the buffet. Now I'm gonna taste all these curries with this naan. So I'm gonna taste first mutton rogan josh. Good, guys. It's really tastes better. Finally, I'm just having the curd rice with lemon pickle. Let's taste the desserts also, guys. Here we'll be having a different types of desserts, which is kheer, pastries. Not only the pastries, even ice creams also available. Even this jamun also available, and moong dal halwa. Pastry is really Too good, guys. And I'm just tasting the kheer. Very nice. We are done with our dinner, guys. It was really awesome. Usually in the buffets, we don't like to drink water and we would like to consume few fruits. So here, last but not the least, we just came for ice creams and this is kulfis. Will be very tasty here. I just tasted my kulfi, which is very tasty, guys.
Ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Love and hate, we've blurred the lines. I'm giving up this fight.
I like to have a plain kulfi, so I just bought this, which is a Malai one. I just had two. My son asked for chocolate kulfi. He's just enjoying the dinner with the ice cream. After having such a wonderful dinner, they even celebrate our birthdays with this cake as a complimentary. Now we reached home, guys. Here, you guys have to see the max excitement.
But only time will heal. Too late to erase the bad we've done.
So, yeah, it continues, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.